Google Display Ads have become an essential tool for advertisers looking to expand their reach and grow their marketing results. The platform is built on a system that uses a wide range of signals to place ads in front of the most relevant audience. But how exactly does this work? And how can advertisers take advantage of it? At its core, Google Display Ads work by leveraging Google's massive network of websites, apps, and videos, making it possible for advertisers to target users across the web. Google gathers valuable signals such as user behavior, interest, and demographics, and uses this data to display ads in the most relevant contexts. This means that ads are shown to people who are more likely to be interested in the products or services being offered. The display network itself includes millions of sites, so advertisers can reach users at various stages of their buying journey. For example, someone browsing a blog about travel might see an ad for luggage or a vacation package. This type of context-based targeting ensures that ads appear in environments where they are most likely to generate attention and clicks. One of the key benefits of using Google Display Ads is the ability to increase brand visibility. Even if users aren't clicking on the ads immediately, they still see the brand consistently across different websites. This helps build brand recognition over time, which is crucial in a competitive marketplace. Additionally, Google Display Ads allow for precise targeting. Advertisers can tailor their campaigns based on specific interests, locations, device types, and even remarketing lists. This level of customization ensures that advertisers reach their desired audience without wasting resources on irrelevant impressions. Another way Google Display Ads help advertisers is through the ability to measure and optimize performance. Google provides detailed analytics, helping marketers understand how the ads are performing and where improvements can be made. This data-driven approach allows for ongoing optimization, leading to better results as campaigns progress. In conclusion, Google Display Ads are a powerful tool for advertisers. By utilizing a combination of data signals, extensive reach, and detailed performance insights, businesses can grow their marketing results. Whether aiming to increase brand awareness or drive conversions, Google Display Ads offers a versatile and effective solution. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help with your Google Ads, join my coaching program, Google Ads Like a Boss, where I help you avoid expensive mistakes and get your campaigns done profitably. Thank you and see you in the next one.